Tell me what I can do to make you feel better. Try to make you smile and bring back your laughter. I did everything I can, but it seems that I still can't. I'm aware that she caused you your biggest heartbreak and then left you all alone and empty-hearted. Can't you see I'm not like her? Why don't you give me a chance? Tell me what I can do. This suffering is getting worse. Should I hold on you, or should I give up and forget? She's no longer part of you. I am here to be with you. She might have shattered you. I'm picking up the pieces of your heart, wondering why you're still imprisoned in her past memories. You are the one I love, but perhaps you're still